In a lush, verdant valley, far removed from human touch, lived a dazzling birdwing butterfly named Blaze. Its wings, a kaleidoscope of colors, were a sight to see. But a hidden secret threatened all life in the valley. Blaze, with its radiant hue, was the most beautiful of all. Yet, it carried a touch that could poison and kill. The creatures of the valley feared this lethal friend. For Blaze's touch brought sorrow and pain, not joy or mend. One day, a humble caterpillar named Coco came to Blaze, asking, "Why must you harm us with your touch so deadly? Can't you see the fear in our eyes when you approach? Can't you find another way to show your beauty?" Blaze, feeling embarrassed and ashamed, thought long and deep about the life it led and the consequences it reaped. It had grown accustomed to the fear it instilled. But Coco's words made it realize this was not fulfilled. Blaze sought the wise old owl, who lived atop a tree, and asked, "How can I be beautiful without causing misery?" The owl, with wise and knowing eyes, replied with a smile, "True beauty comes from within, not from the poison you wield." Blaze wondered how it might change, to live without the fear, to touch and be touched, without causing anyone to tear. It sought the help of the river, to cleanse its toxic wings. And as it emerged, its colors shone without stings. Blaze returned to the valley, free of its toxic touch. And the creatures greeted it with gasps and interlocked clutches. Blaze explained its journey, how it sought a change. And the valley was filled with joy, as it danced and played. The moral of this story is for all to see, that true beauty comes from within, not from the harm we levy. Let us strive to be like Blaze, to shed our toxicity, and embrace a pure and gentle touch, like the gentle breeze.